Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change language on Signal. So let's start. First, open the Signal app. When the app opens, tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on Settings. Then tap on Appearance and here you will see Language. Tap on that. Now select the language you like. And you'll see that your app language is now changed. And it is reflected throughout the app. I'll just change the language again. I'll change it to Greek. And here you can see that the whole app is now on Greek. I'll change it back to English. And that's how you can change language on Signal. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.